Okay, class, so today we will be doing a practical, and in this practical, what we will find out is that if if the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal or not. So, as you can see, first of all, we have written the aim, that is to prove that the length of opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That is, इस प्रैक्टिकल में हम ये प्रूव करेंगे दैट द ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल आर इक्वल. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज वी हैव रिटन मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड. Now what is the material required? First is a rectangular sheet of paper. This, like I have got this, a rectangular sheet of paper. Next is a scale, and next is a pencil. I have got a pen, but you can use obviously a pencil. Next thing is I have written observation. Now I will tell you how we will observe and what we will observe and how we will prove that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Using a scale and a pen, what you have to do is you just have to simply draw a straight line. Like if I draw a line here like this, and after that you can tear it using the scale like this, but in that case it will not be clear. So the other thing that you can do is you just have to draw a line on any A3, A2, A4 sheet of paper, and you can simply cut it like this. And now this is a rectangle, okay, but this is a bigger one, you can say a bigger one, and I have created this small one for you as well. So I will put this aside and we will use the other one. Okay, after making a rectangle, what we have to do is firstly we will name the sides of the rectangle. Like how we will name the sides? Firstly we will write A at the first corner, then we will write B, C and D. Okay, so there are A, B, C, D. We have mentioned all the four sides. Now how we will find out that which of the given sides are opposite? हम इन sides को एक दूसरे के ऊपर overlap करके देखेंगे, so that if one side properly overlaps the other side, it means that they are equal, but we will confirm it with the help of the scale as well. But firstly हम इसको overlap करके देखते हैं. Okay, so everyone knows that AB is opposite side to DC. Okay, so firstly let us try and meet the ends of these two sides like this. So as you can see, DC is very perfectly overlapped by AB, means that they both are equal in length and they are opposite sides. That you can write in the observation that opposite sides of a rectangle are, सबसे पहले हम इन दो opposite sides का नाम लिख देते हैं. First is AB and the next is DC. So firstly we have written AB and DC, correct. Next opposite sides देखते हैं. ये हमने सामने सामने वाली देख ली है. Now we will look for AD and BC. Let's fold this in this way like this. Now see if they both are overlapping each other or not. They are doing very perfectly as I in the previous one as well. AD is opposite to BC और CB. देखो यहाँ से हमने किया था ना, AD is opposite to BC. So next हम लिख देंगे AD and BC. इससे हम okay. So now we have find out that AB is opposite to DC and AD is the opposite side to BC. Now we will measure the sides to find out if they are equal or not. correct? So we will check these markings where the numbers are written. We will consider these the markings on the right hand side. So we will put the corner of the rectangle at 0 like this, and then we will measure. So as you can see, it comes on 10, means we will write AB is equals to 10 सेंटीमीटर. अब इसकी ऑपोजिट साइड है DC, तो DC को मेजर करते हैं. DC का जो एंड पॉइंट है वो भी 10 आ रहा है. इट मीन्स DC इज ऑल्सो 10. इससे हमें क्या पता चला, दैट AB एंड DC आर इक्वल इन लेंथ. अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट है AD. हमने इसको ऐसे थोड़ा सा रोटेट कर लिया, 0 को ले गए कॉर्नर पे एंड इसको यहाँ बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट हमने जोड़ा. वी गॉट 12. ये आप देख सकते हैं AD इज़ 12. सो नेक्स्ट एरो एंड AD इज इक्वल्स टू 12 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी विल चेक BC because its opposite side is BC. So this is BC and it is also 12. Okay, so these are opposite sides and they too measure the same, means the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal to each other in length. This we have proved through this practical. Done. So what you have to do is you will write the aim, material required. You will make a rectangular sheet like this. You will name, and then what you have to do is firstly हम find out करेंगे opposite sides कौन सी हैं, and after that we will measure the sides. Okay, so यहाँ पर लास्ट में आप लिख सकते हो conclusion. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal in length. Okay, so this is it. Thank you.